Do you have trouble staying focused? If you do, then you need the TimeCube. Choose how much time by turning the TimeCube to that side. Then you can focus on the task at hand. And when your time is up, the TimeCube will beep and just reset the clock. Be more productive. It's so hard to stay focused and so easy to be distracted. TimeCube has so many times to choose from. 60 minutes, 30 minutes, you can do 30 seconds, 45 minutes, even 5 minutes or 20 minutes. You choose the time so you can get the task done. And when time's up, you won't believe what you accomplished. The TimeCube is also great for your fitness routine, learning and studying, keeping those meetings on time, fantastic for cooking, or just for your kids. And how about a little you time? You're going to absolutely love the amazing TimeCube. Subscribe to our channel for more great products and videos.